Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 AMD AGS times 64 DLL not found error. Alright, let's begin. This error usually appears when the AMD AGS x64.dll file is blocked, quarantined, or removed by Windows Security, preventing the game from launching properly. First, open Windows Security and click Protection History from the left panel. Check the list of blocked items and look for AMD AGS x64.dll or any file related to Forza Horizon 6. If you find it, expand the entry, click Actions, and select Allow on Device. Next, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, then select Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and select your Forza Horizon 6 installation folder. This prevents Windows Security from blocking the game files again. If the issue continues, open App and Browser Control, select Smart App Control Settings, and turn Smart App Control off. Restart your PC and launch the game again. That's it for this video. Thanks!